Once upon a time in Minecraft, I was out walking at night hunting for the perfect pumpkin to carve for Halloween. Off in the distance, I saw a glowing light. It was coming from a jack o' lantern. I followed the dirt path to a cluster of pumpkins. This is perfect. I'll find an amazing pumpkin here, I thought. Little did I know that things were about to be far from perfect, because hidden behind the grass was a giant hole, and down, down, down I fell. Thud. I landed hard on the dirt and grass below, and everything went dark. A while later, I sat up on the dirt and rubbed my sore head. All that was around me was a chest with a sign that read, "There's no way out. Ha ha ha." I peered up and up and up. All I saw was rock and a tiny patch of the sky. There was no way I was getting out by climbing back up. I decided to open the chest and see if anything was inside. Inside the chest was a book that glowed with a purple shine. I reached in and opened it up. The book read, "There's no way out now. You are stuck down here forever. Unless you are one of the few brave people who can solve the riddles and find the treasure. But I doubt that. Ha ha ha." I closed the book and put it back in the chest. I was stuck? And here? No way. It was creepy, and I was getting hungry. I was determined to find a way out. I started exploring the area. Soon I came to a deep ravine with lava and water crashing below. I really needed some torches if I was going to explore my way down through the lava. Parts of it were bright, but a lot of the ravine was in shadows. Who knows what monsters might be down there waiting for me? Creepers? Skeletons? I decided to try to open the chest, but it was locked. It seemed to require some kind of code to open it. Open your first puzzle now to see if you can help me find the code and unlock the chest.